Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing great. Guys, there is always a question in our mind that how can we take positive decision in negative situation, or how can we overcome from a negative situation, or you can say how can we stable our mind in every different situation, either positive or negative. Definitely it's very easy to control our mind in positive situation, but on the same side it is very difficult to control our mind in negative situation. So today I'm going to tell you something about these aspects as well. Hi, I'm Kimi from Life Zoner, and today I'm going to tell you something about our emotions or psychology, or what psychology is doing with our emotions. What is the role of psychology in our lives? So firstly, we need to know what is psychology. Psychology is a very different term. If we talk about psychology is a uh, you can say it's a state of mind. Like, it's a mixture of our thoughts, a nature of a person, or personality. So these different criteria makes a psychology. It is very helpful to judge any other person, or I must say, not to judge any other person, to understand any other person's mindset, any other person's thoughts. So it works in a very different criteria. Like if I talk about how can we go with psychology emotionally, like emotions are totally different. Emotions, it can be a good, or emotions it can be a bad. It can be a strength of a person, and it definitely it can be a weakness of a person as well. But how can we overcome with all these things? How can we judge, like, the things are emotionally strong, or how can we say that the things are emotionally weak, or a person is emotionally weak, or a person is emotionally strong? So emotions, what emotions means, I mean, emotions are totally depending upon the situation, or our mindset, or our thoughts, or our personality as well. So when we think there is something good in every situation, in any situation, so we feel emotionally good. Or when we think there is something bad in any situation, or we are not able to take any decision about that, we feel that we are emotionally weak, so that we are not going to take any decision on that. So guys, this is something how psychology works in that thing. Like if a thing or a situation is going as per our terms, as per our norms, so we feel happy. We feel like, wow, it is like going to happen as per our terms, as per we our desires, as we want it to happen. So at that time, automatically a thought generates in our mind, and we put some right decision in that, and definitely it goes right in, definitely in every situation. But sometimes situation opposite, it does the things as we never thought of. कुछ चीज़ें ऐसी होती हैं जो हमने कभी सोचा ही नहीं होता, एंड वी नीड टू गेट सम रिजल्ट्स फ्रॉम दैट, वी नीड टू पुट सम डिसीजन ऑन दैट. सो दीज आर द थिंग्स जो कभी कभी हम लोगों को साइकोलॉजिकली हर्ट करती हैं, या फिर हम कह सकते हैं कि साइकोलॉजिकली हमें इफेक्ट करती हैं. सो गाइस, देयर आर द थिंग्स, जब हम लोग किसी भी चीज़ को